Last day was calm for the most part. We did get one M-class solar flare, but otherwise, it has been a calm one on the sun and here in geospace with the solar wind and geomagnetic conditions. Let's take a quick peek at that top event of the day, the M-class solar flare from one of the southern incoming active regions. We're still watching as they turn in and develop. Folks, there's been a ton of climate propaganda recently, but Dr. Roy Spencer, the former NASA climate expert, is always good for a reality check. This time it is on the widespread look at stratospheric conditions as a fingerprint of human-caused global warming. Spoiler alert, it's another bogus claim.
What's happening with the weather and the news, the media, vaccines, election fraud, there's a little more behind it, and it's different than I've ever heard anybody else talk about.
The people in charge of the planet have pulled the trigger on this plan, this plot. About every 12,000 years, there is a major geomagnetic pole shift. The magnetic poles have moved more in the last 25 years than they have in thousands of years, and that is accelerating as well. There is also evidence at every single one of these events of some kind of major catastrophe triggered by the sun. More anxiety, fear, panic, loss of smarts.
Do you identify as Black?
Increased emotional instability. These elites are building million-dollar bunkers. So many of them are trying to figure out a way to do their version of building an ark. What do we do about it?